Hi, I'm Kapil Charles. I am basically a manager for corporate sales for Audi Gurgaon, and this is the we are basically the first, the major sponsor of this Legends Cup as well. This is the first time that Audi has become a sponsor, and we've got some really good response as well. We're the main sponsors of this event, and this is basically the first time that Audi has participated in this event as a team, when it comes to football, and also as a sponsor. So it's been a great experience. We have basically two cars on display over here, which are the A4 and the A6s, which are the highest selling in the corporates. And this being a corporate event, so we've got some good responses out of it as well. So uh, the matches are still going on. So look forward to more participation from the teams. See, Audi. To be really honest, this is the first football tournament that Audi has sponsored. Uh, but Audi is a young brand. So the general age for an Audi customer is roughly around 30-35, and that it's a young tournament that also has started. So this is basically our first step towards football. But yes, going by the way the event has actually gone ahead, I think we're looking for many more years of partnership with the Legends Cup with Audi.
Is the Audi team also playing as well?
Yes, Audi is playing in the tournament. It's doing pretty well actually. We've reached the quarterfinals, and hopefully we can be there in the finals as well.
So are you guys planning to gift an Audi to the winner?
Well, that remains to be seen, but we can surely work out something on it.
So you'll be interested in more tournaments and matches and sports?
Yes, of course. Why not? We do a lot of participation in sports. Football is basically a new one that we've just recently ventured into. But yes, we've been into other sports. So why not? I mean, it's a great idea. You have so many people coming into the tournament, so it's good visibility for the brand, and really says good about the cup as well.
Thank you.
Thank you. Uh, Message for the team is going to be, as we say it in Audi, Vorsprung durch Technik, which is basically advancement through technology. So that's the Audi, the brand, the brand call as we call it. So Vorsprung durch Technik to all the Audi players out there in the match.